You go today to the Muslim lands and they have these qubur that are built. Huge qubur with domes and decorations. And you tell them, you know Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam forbid this, right? You know there's Sahih Ahadith forbidding this, right? No, these are awliya. This reminds us of them. Let's go do a dance there. Yeah, there's some piety there. And we have some of these places in some countries. I don't want to mention the names of countries, Pakistan. And mostly people go there to do drugs. And you see the people smoking weed and hashish. And look at this, charsi. Look at this. No. Don't say anything. They're awliya. They don't make salah. They don't know ghusl or wudu. And these are awliya. Awliya of shaitan. Same tricks. Today you go to some Muslim lands, huge Sufi saint, like I don't know, whatever, pictures, statues. Na'udhu billah.